Hey guys, it's Alexandra and today I'm going to be filming my Sephora Vib haul. I am so excited. I did do just a little bit of damage in Sephora. I literally went two times. So basically, you guys are probably seeing a bunch of like Sephora hauls. So 2 or 3 times a year, Sephora does these promotions where you can get 10, 15, or 20% off depending on the type of member you are. So I did pull it up to be 100% sure. So if you are just an insider, you could sign up to be an insider today. As long as you have their rewards program, you get 10% off. If you are a VIB, you get 15% off. And if you're a Rouge, you get 20% off. Y'all know your girl is a Rouge because I buy way too much makeup. So I did get 20% off, and how they do it is I thought they do it off your whole order. That's actually not how they do it at all. I looked at my receipt and they basically take 20% off of every single item that you get. If you guys wanted to know, even if you don't have a Sephora rewards, I definitely suggest you sign up and buy anything that you think you may run out of soon or something you've been wanting to try out, because you will get 10% off as long as you sign up for their rewards program. This does go on till May 6th. So today is the 4th. I'm hoping to get this up today. If not, I'm gonna get it up tomorrow morning, but definitely go and take advantage of the sale. Like, I know I definitely did. I stocked up on a bunch of things that I'm running out of or ran out of, and then I did get products that I never purchased because I thought they were just too expensive, but I've been wanting to try out. So that is why this haul's so big. I stocked up for the next few months, and ironically, I ran out of a lot of my favorite products. So I am really into makeup, and that is why I bought all these stuff. Also, before we get fully into this haul, I don't know how bad I sound. I know I sound bad, but I've been sick the past week. I was waiting till today to film this haul because I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get my voice back. I did get it back somewhat, but I'm still like coughing. My throat is still killing me. I'm literally sick so often, it's ridiculous. So if I sound really raspy, that is why. But I still wanted to get this video up for you guys because a lot of you guys did really want to see it. Also, I am back on my Snapchat. I do have all of my social media networks linked down below, but I never really use Snapchat. Like the last 5 months I haven't. I've been logged out basically. I don't know if somebody hacked me or if I forgot it or somebody changed my email, whatever the heck happened. Finally got my Snapchat back. So I'm always on Instagram. It's Alexandra_MBFG. I use that the most. My Twitter is Alexandra7XO, and my Snapchat is Alexandra_MBFG as well. So those are all in the description if you guys ever want to follow me on there. I love responding to you guys as well. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button to join my little fam. And also don't forget to click the little notification bell so you guys don't miss out whenever I post another video. So I hope my voice isn't annoying, and this intro was super long. I had a lot to say, so without further ado, let's hop right into my Sephora Vib haul. So I do have 3 bags. I'm just gonna start like pulling stuff out of it. So the first thing I picked up is another one of my Beauty Blender foundations. So this is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, and I'm in the shade Blend 3.20W. They do have a really great shade range, and I never talked about this on my channel, and I never like said, oh my god, it's my favorite, it's such a good foundation. But in reality, every single time I go to do my makeup, I grab this foundation, and I really like it. All of the ingredients are amazing in this. I also think this is like a medium to full coverage foundation. It does says full coverage on here. I think it's medium to full coverage depending how you apply it, and you could obviously build it up, but I really like this foundation. It's definitely in like my top 3 foundations, and I am someone who loves trying foundations. So I do have like acne prone skin, and actually my skin's pretty good, and I'm so happy. Today I'm wearing no foundation. I'm just wearing concealer on like some spotted areas, and I'm like, I don't know how I'm feeling it. I hope this camera is gonna make me look somewhat decent, but I wanted to see how it looks like with more of like a natural look today. But this is a really great foundation for like all skin types. My friend is super dry. She just got it. She loves it. Combination skin, I love it. So I definitely do recommend you try this foundation. It's definitely one of my favorites in Sephora for sure. Moving on. So I was going online to like make my list, so I knew my game plan when I went in. So I saw this little BUXOM like 4 trio Rosé Everyday Plumping Lip Kit, and my friend Victoria was like, you should try BUXOM lip glosses, they're so good. I went to Ulta and they had them like 50% off one day. I'm like, you know what, why not? I'll try it for like 10 bucks. I got it. I'm almost out of it. I absolutely love it. Ironically, I'm not wearing it right now. I'm wearing the new Kylie gloss I just got. also got so much makeup recently. I should have just made this like into a big haul, but we're talking about Sephora. And I was obsessed. So I was just gonna go get another full-size BUXOM gloss, but I saw they had this with 4 different shades. So I'm like, why not get 4 little mini shades for $25 and get 4 different colors, and then, you know, whichever one I like the most I'll get a full size of. So that is what I did. I know this is sold out online, but I went to 2 different Sephoras and both Sephoras had them in stock, and they had a bunch in stock, so it's definitely worth it. It was $25 for 4 little minis, and I really like their glosses. They're not super sticky, and they do plump your lips a little bit because they have the plump effect. Obviously they're called plumping lip glosses, Alex. All right, so that's the next thing I got. I don't know why I wore a turtleneck. These lights are making me sweat. Next thing I got, a set of beauty blenders. I love my beauty blenders, and I also really like the Morphe sponge. I see myself like going back and forth between both. I do think they're both amazing. I still love my beauty blenders though a lot. And usually one is $20, which I know is ridiculous, but I got 3 for $45. So this is also a really great deal that they have going on. I know that online they still did have it in stock if you guys want to check it out. I don't know if they have it in stock today, but when I went to go look, they did. And every Sephora, both of them that I went to, had like a bunch. So you get 3 for $45, and you're gonna have them for a while, and they are really great. So if you're somebody who loves beauty blenders, then definitely get yourself this little set. It's so worth it. Okay, moving on. The next thing I got is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, and I've went through 10 of these probably, like literally 10 of these. So I tried this out after Claudia here on YouTube used it in like a skincare routine. I was like, all right, let me try it. At first I wasn't a fan, then I couldn't stop using it. It is so freaking good. So I really like it. I love it. I just go use it, take off all my makeup, then I go ahead, wash my face, but this takes everything off. Like, I've never had a problem unless I have like so much makeup on and like glitter and whatnot. So I love this. So picked myself up maybe my 11th one. This is what I'm talking about. Like in this haul, I got a mix of things that I already loved, and like I've repurchased multiple times, and things that I've been wanting to try out, or like cute little sets that like I know I'm gonna use and like. So the next thing I got is the TATCHA water cream. Alrighty, so I have a story with this. Everybody hypes it up on YouTube, and I'm like, $60 for moisturizer? Probably not. Like my Clinique one's just as good. Yeah, so I got like a little trial one, really liked it. Went ahead, got another trial one. Started seeing like results in my skin, and it's the only thing that I've changed. Like nothing in my diet changed, nothing in my skincare changed. I'm like, okay. So then I went ahead and got another mini one in like a Christmas set. If you guys watched my Christmas haul, loved it. Then they had it as like a perk, loved it. And I'm like, okay, now I can't stop using it. So I went and got a full-size one. I just ran out of it like 3 days ago. And here I am with another full-size one. It is really good. I did see a difference in my skin because of this, and I know it's this just because I didn't use anything else. It smells amazing, and it is really lightweight. It doesn't have a lot of heavy ingredients in it as well, which is great if you have very sensitive skin or if you have acne-prone skin. I am somebody who tries out so many different skincare products, and some are total hits, some are total misses, and this is definitely something that I really do genuinely like. And I know $60 is a lot, but if you take advantage of this sale, you do get a lot off. I think I got like $18 off. So I mean, I do use this, and this lasts me a really long time. I use it morning and night, and it lasted me like 3 months, 2.5. So I mean, I personally think it's really important to take care of your skin, and if something works for me, I'm going to use it, especially since I did have all my acne troubles. If you've been watching me here on YouTube for a while, y'all know. Moving on, got another favorite and backup. Just got another Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in taupe. Use this all the time to fill my eyebrows. My favorite thing. Went through like 20 of these. It's good. Let's move on. Then I picked up another NARS concealer. So I love this concealer. It's probably one of my favorite concealers. As I said, I love trying out new foundations and concealers, and I used to love this, then I kind of went away from it. Don't know why. I love it again. I just really love this product so much. I truly could say it's really good. I have a shade that's a little bit darker that I don't use underneath my eyes. I just use on like little dots or like little acne problem spots I may have, like today. Just use that concealer, and I wanted a little bit of a lighter one to use underneath my eyes, and I got it in the shade Vanilla Light 2. I think the other one I have is Creme Brulee, if I'm not mistaken. So this one was like 4 or 5 shades lighter. Moving on to my box. Okay. The next thing I got are a pair of Lilly lashes. I think I am probably the only person that has never tried or worn a pair of Lilly lashes. I love my Ardell, I love my House of Lashes, and I just could never get myself to spend $30 on lashes. It's ridiculous. And I've always, every single time I go in Sephora, I'm like, I'm gonna get a pair, I'm gonna get a pair. But I'm like, I cannot spend $30 on lashes. Like, I just couldn't. And then this sale came along, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get them. So I just got them in Miami, and it does say that you could use up to 25 times. So I am going to take care of these, and we'll see how I like them. They do look very long, and I have hooded eyelids, so I'm hoping these do look good on my eyes. I really am, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. Moving on, another thing that I've always wanted to try that I never got because I thought was really expensive are the FARSÁLI, I can never say it, the little unicorn drops that they have. So I didn't get a full size just because I'm like, if I don't like it, I just spent like $40 on the drops. I think they're like 50 or 60 bucks depending on which one you get. I know like the black one's like 39 and the purple one, this one's like 54. So with the discount be like 40 something dollars. I'm like, I'm gonna get a mini. So the mini was 22 and I got 20% off of it. I'm gonna see how I like it. It smells really good. So we'll see. I'll either really like it or I won't, and then I won't feel as bad that I just got a mini as opposed to if I got a big one, you know? So this is something that I'm also really excited to try out, and I'll keep you guys posted on it because if I love something, I will not stop talking about it. Alright, so moving on. When I like spot clean my brushes, I use the Sephora Daily Brush Cleanser. So I like deep clean my brushes every 2 to 3 weeks depending on how often I do my makeup, and then after every single time I use my brushes, I go ahead and like go on a paper towel and like clean the excess off, just like a quick clean. And the first time I went to Sephora, they only had a mini, so I got a mini. And then when I went the second time, they had the full size. 2 different Sephoras. So I got a mini and a full size. I mean, I know I'm going to use these regardless. I think this was $5. I think this was $15 and then 20% off of it. But if you want something as like a daily brush cleanser, these are really good. And I've been using them for a very long time and it works and it's great. Then the last thing I have to show you is a Beauty Insider gift that I got. So in Sephora, you rank up points and they have like 100-point perks and 500-point perks. So one of the 500-point perks was this Glam Glow little set. I'm really excited. I've used Glam Glow so many times. I really like their products, and here there are some things that I do have like full sizes of and things that I've used before, so I'm excited to try out. They came with 4 different things, and here you got a cleanser, a clearing treatment, face masks. So I love face masks, and I mean I got this for free for a 500-point perk, and I think this was definitely a really good one. Sometimes they have really good 500-point perks, sometimes they're really bad, so you just have to be on a lookout. Like I save mine till I see something I really like, and this was something that I really liked. So that is it for my Sephora VIB haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will have every single thing that I got linked in this description down below. Some of these things are like my holy grail products, some are repurchased after like 10 times of using. Other things are things that I've always wanted to try out but I never got. I am really excited to play around with this makeup. I also just recently got the Jeffree Star like concealer and powder. I got some Kylie Cosmetics, like her setting spray, her powder, so I have a bunch of new makeup to play around with, and I'm really excited to really be back on this filming grind. I had this whole like, I wouldn't say like epiphany, but I had this whole like realization of what I want to do with my channel, how I'm going to take it, how I'm going to go about it, time management, all that stuff, and I'm really excited for what is to come. Again, if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the little notification bell, because a lot of you tell me you never see my videos in your subscription. It's because you have to click that little notification bell. Everything you may have questions about will be in the description. If you have a question, always leave it down below. I love replying to comments, and always feel free to message me on my social media accounts. So I love you guys all so much. Enjoy the sale. It's till May 6th, and definitely take advantage, because when Sephora has a sale, you want to take advantage. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.